Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Create the Heart, and today I'm going to make two very quick cards with you today. The first, I'm using this sort of Alice stamp set from Avery L. just to do a really quick thank you card. So what I'm doing here is I'm using a white card base, and then this paper, I believe, was some scrap that I had. I want to say that this was a Christmas paper pad, holiday paper pad. I think I was going to use this as part of my using holiday paper to make non-holiday cards. And, you know, I just found it, so I thought I would make a card with you guys today. So I'm just using a white card base. And then I have these really cute little Alice and the white hair, the white rabbit, right? And I just colored these in with my Copics, and this is just such a cute stamp set. I just am not real sure what to do with it, I guess, is my thing. I don't really know. Should I be trying to make a scene with them? I would love any suggestions, because sometimes you buy a stamp set because you think it's super cute, and then you get it and you have no idea like what to do with it, because maybe it doesn't lend itself to the style of card you do. I don't know. I just kind of struggle with this stamp set. This is the first time I've used it because I didn't know, what to do with it. And then I've got just the thank you right here. And I always can use thank you cards. My kids send thank you cards, and so thank you cards are always in demand in this house. And so here's card number 1. I think it's very cute, but I would love other ideas on what to do with this stamp set. So that's card number 1. And then card number 2, I'm using the Greeting Farm Mermaid stamp set. And so I'm using this cool paper. This was from Recollections 6x6 paper pad. They have one that had it for a while. Don't know where it is right now, but it has unicorns and mermaids all in one paper pad, or at least kind of gave you that illusion of that. So I was having problems with this thing just popping off again, and I don't even know what to do with this stupid ATG. It's just absolutely driving me bonkers because it won't stay on. It just keeps popping off. And I think that the problem is that my the core is not round. The core is like all funky shaped, and so it's just not staying on the roll very well. All right, so I had these gold scraps from another project, and so I just did scallops on them so that it sort of kind of gave the illusion of waves. Just kind of a cheater way of doing it. And see, just the more I push it in, the more that it pops off. And I've done the whole thing where you put the piece of cardstock there, and that just didn't do anything for me either. So I don't know. I think I have a bum batch of tape, to be honest with you. So Tape Jungle, ugh. Might have to try Tape Depot because their tape is sucking. Okay, so then I've got her, and then I'm going to layer her right on top. So you get that kind of 3D dimension. So yeah, this is a fresh ATG, and I have done everything that people suggested, and to no avail. I just think that this Tape Jungle tape is just crap, because the core is bent, so it doesn't stay on my roll. And every single one is like that, so I don't even know what to do. So, and I have a ton of it, so I'm just going to try and power through with it. All right, so there we go. And then you mermaid to be awesome. That is the sentiment that comes in the stamp set. And there's that. And then I'm just going to do just a tiny bit of stickles. Now, I do have the pen that does sort of the glitter. And sometimes I just want not a subtle glitter. I want a little bit more. I just want it to look like the sun is glistening off the water in her hair. So just a little bit, not a lot. And there we go. Simple, cute little card. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Creating the Heart.